Ever wondered if UX designers are in high demand? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of user experience design to uncover the truth. You see, UX designers are the unsung heroes behind the digital experiences we enjoy every day. They use their expertise to weave together intuitive, seamless, and enjoyable interactions on everything from mobile apps to websites. The demand for these skilled professionals can fluctuate, influenced by factors such as location, industry, and market trends. Today, we're going to dive into the broader picture, giving you a comprehensive look at the overall demand for this skill set. We'll explore how the expanding digital world, the impact of COVID-19, and future growth prospects are shaping the demand for UX designers. So, are UX designers keeping pace with the rapidly evolving tech landscape? Let's find out. As the digital world expands at an unprecedented rate, companies are recognizing the importance of prioritizing user-centered design. Every click, every swipe, every moment spent on a digital device is an interaction that's been carefully crafted by a UX designer. As the architects of the digital world, they shape our experience, making the complex simple and the tedious enjoyable. But why is user-centered design so crucial? It's simple. A great user experience can set a company apart from its competitors. It can turn a one-time visitor into a loyal customer and a small startup into a global phenomenon. The user experience is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. And who better to create these engaging experiences than a skilled UX designer? Looking at the tech giants, it's clear to see how they've set the standard for exceptional user experience. Apple, with its intuitive interfaces, Google, with its seamless search experience, Amazon, with its personalized recommendations. These companies have shown the world the power of user-centered design, and businesses of all sizes are following suit. This trend has led to a surge in demand for UX designers. In the past, UX design was a niche field, often misunderstood and undervalued, but today, it's a vital part of the digital landscape, with opportunities available in every industry, from healthcare to entertainment, finance to fashion. But it's not just about job opportunities, it's about the chance to make a real difference. As a UX designer, you're not just creating interfaces, you're creating experiences. You're shaping the way people interact with the digital world, making it more accessible, more enjoyable, more human. The influence of the tech giants, coupled with the growing recognition of the importance of user-centered design, has opened up a world of opportunities for aspiring designers. So if you're considering a career in UX design, there's never been a better time. This surge in demand has opened up a world of opportunities for aspiring designers like never before. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding newbie, the digital world is waiting. All you need is the passion, the creativity, and the drive to create experiences that truly matter. And remember, in the world of UX design, the user is always at the heart of everything you do. Now, you might be wondering how the COVID-19 pandemic has affected the demand for UX designers. Well, the plot twist here is that it has actually revved up the demand rather than slowing it down. Picture this. Businesses around the world were compelled to shift their operations online almost overnight. Brick-and-mortar stores transformed into e-commerce platforms, and face-to-face meetings moved to the realm of Zoom calls. This sudden digital pivot led to a surge in online traffic as people started working, studying, shopping, and even socializing from the comfort of their homes. However, with this digital explosion came an intensified competition. Businesses were no longer just competing on the quality of their products or services, but also on the quality of their users' online experience. Enter UX designers. These digital superheroes became more crucial than ever in the scramble to stand out in the crowded online space. Businesses understood that the key to retaining their newfound online audience was to provide them with an intuitive, seamless, and engaging experience. And who better to craft these experiences than UX designers? From redesigning websites to accommodate the influx of online shoppers, to creating user-friendly interfaces for remote learning platforms, UX designers were at the forefront of this digital revolution. They were tasked with understanding the evolving needs and behaviors of online users and translating these insights into designs that resonated with them. Moreover, as businesses started to realize the importance of digital accessibility, UX designers played a pivotal role in ensuring that their digital platforms were inclusive and accessible to all users. They worked to remove barriers that could prevent interaction with or access to websites by people with disabilities. As a result of this shift in business operations and mindset, the demand for UX designers skyrocketed. Companies across various sectors, from retail to education, started seeking out these professionals to shape their digital presence and deliver outstanding experiences that keep users coming back for more. So, if you're considering a career in UX design, there's never been a better time. The pandemic has only highlighted the value of this profession, and this trend is here to stay. The digital world needs more UX designers who can craft exceptional experiences for users, and maybe you could be one of them. The future of UX design looks incredibly promising. As we navigate through this digital age, the role of UX designers continues to gain prominence. With the rapid evolution of technology and its deeper integration into our daily lives, the demand for these professionals is expected to rise substantially. Industry reports paint a rosy picture for the future of UX design. They project that the job market for these designers will grow by a significant percentage over the next few years. This growth rate outpaces many other professions, highlighting the burgeoning demand for UX designers. This makes the field one of the most sought-after and hottest arenas to build a career in. But what's driving this demand? A large part of it can be attributed to the rise of emerging technologies. We live in a world where virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence are no longer just buzzwords, but realities that are transforming the way we interact with digital interfaces. Take virtual reality, for instance. It's not just for gaming anymore. Industries from real estate to healthcare are leveraging this technology to create immersive experiences for their users. And who's at the forefront of designing these experiences? You guessed it right, UX designers. Similarly, augmented reality is changing the game too. From trying on clothes virtually to visualizing how furniture would look in your living room, Arkansas is enhancing user experiences like never before. And again, it's UX designers who are shaping these innovative experiences. And let's not forget about artificial intelligence. AI is disrupting traditional design methods and paving the way for more personalized and predictive user experiences. By leveraging AI, UX designers can analyze user behavior, identify patterns, and tailor experiences that meet individual user needs. These technological advancements are not just changing the way we interact with digital platforms, they're also opening up a world of opportunities for UX designers. They're challenging them to think outside the box, to design experiences that were once thought impossible. The potential for growth and innovation in UX design is immense. As these technologies continue to evolve and shape our digital landscape, the demand for UX designers will only continue to surge. So, if you're considering a career in UX design, there's no better time than now. The field offers a wealth of opportunities to those who are passionate about shaping user experiences. With the right skills and a knack for understanding user needs, you too can contribute to this exciting field. In conclusion, the future of UX design is here, and it's brighter than ever. These advancements will further fuel the demand for their skills, making it a lucrative career choice for aspiring designers. In conclusion, yes, UX designers are indeed in high demand, and the trend is only going upwards. We've traversed through the expanding digital world, observed the impact of the global pandemic, and looked into the future growth and prospects of this dynamic field. Each of these factors contributes to the escalating demand for UX designers. We've seen how the digital revolution has placed UX design at the heart of business success. Companies, big and small, are acknowledging the importance of user-centered design, realizing that the quality of the user experience can be the deciding factor between their business thriving or just surviving. Then we touched upon the COVID-19 pandemic, which, despite its devastating effects, has served as a catalyst for accelerating the digital shift, intensifying the competition in the online space. This has led companies to place an even greater emphasis on user experience, further fueling the need for skilled UX designers. Looking into the future, we see a landscape filled with opportunities. The job market for UX designers is projected to grow significantly over the next few years, making it a hot field to be in. Emerging technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence are paving the way for UX designers to create even more immersive and personalized experiences. So, are UX designers in demand? Absolutely. But this isn't just about filling job vacancies. It's about shaping the future of how we interact with technology. It's about creating experiences that are not only functional and efficient, but also enjoyable and memorable. The demand for UX designers is not just a passing trend, it's a reflection of the increasingly digital world we live in. So if you're considering a career in UX design, there's never been a better time to dive in.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.